is all that he reveals. I'd like to right that wrong here in this little song. Thank you for shaping my life.
Hi King B, happy birthday. Katatapos lang namin magdasal, ngayon mag-exercise kami. So, I just want to wish you many more birthdays to come. Good health, God bless, may all your dreams come true. Happy birthday.
Hi, Founder King B, also known as Daddy Scorpion of Flower Bee. Happy birthday, and much next to come. And happy birthday to you. Wishing you health, strength, and many more fun-filled years. Cheers! Alright, we love you from your family, Flower Bee, #the original. Alright.
Hello, friendship. Happy birthday, friendship Monet. Siyempre, ang wish ko sa birthday mo, all the best. I wish you all the best. And praying for your good health. Alam mo naman yan, lagi kita pinagpapray. Praying for happiness. Maging masaya ka. O diba gusto mo yun? And sana matupad mo lahat ang goal mo sa buhay. And God bless you more and more. I love you, friendship. Happy birthday. Love.
Hi Scorpion! Happy birthday! Siyempre, ang wish ko, good health, stay happy, stay strong, kasi marami nagmamahal sa'yo. Okay? So, good luck and God bless you with more years to come. Bye!
Lucy, happy birthday! Love ka namin. Pinakapogi namin, bossing, sa Flower Bee. Salamat sa pagmamahal mo sa amin. Happy birthday! Enjoy your day! Love!
Special na pagbati sa kaarawan sa taong naniwala sa akin, tumanggap sa akin, umumpon sa akin, at tinato ako bilang isang kapamilya sa Flower Bee family. I appreciate yung paniniwala mo sa akin, sa talento, sa kakayahan, at sa walang sawang pagsuporta. Ginawa niyo pong masaya ang aking pagstay sa Wising. Masayang-masaya ako na ginawa ko yung tamang desisyon at naging parte ng pamilya ng Wising. Maraming salamat. Maligayang kaarawan. Kat, Daddy, can I say it in English? I'm so proud of myself. I'll say it in English now kasi nag-nosebleed na ako. Happy birthday. And once again, I'm very grateful and actually very honored to be part of the Flower Bee family. And it's all because of you. And you know, Wising is about singing. So I thought of a song that would fit perfectly, that would be dedicated to you. And if you'd allow me to sing the chorus of that. So this is Elton John's Your Song. And you can tell everybody this is your song. It may be quite simple, but now that it's on, I hope you don't mind. I hope you don't mind that I put down the words. How wonderful life is while you're in my world. Happy birthday, love.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Dad. God bless. Good health ka lagi. Huwag kang masyadong magpapagod. And I love you. Thank you sa friendship po.
Hello. Happy birthday day. I wish you all the best and more birthdays to come, and always happy, always good health and long life. Again, happy birthday and thank you for everything. Yun. Again, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
you all the best and more birthdays to come. Happy birthday, Daddy! Wish you a good health. Sana hindi ka pabayaan ni Lord. Bigyan ka pa ng mahabang buhay. Happy birthday to you! Love you!
Heidi, happy birthday sa'yo and more birthdays to come and keep safe also, syempre. And thank you kasi in-accept mo ako dito sa Flower Bee family and thank you kasi sa mga advice na binibigay mo sa akin para mag-improve lalo yung boses ko sa pagkanta. And enjoy mo lang yung day mo and more blessings to come. Again, happy birthday!
1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, founder. Sana ay maging maligaya ka sa iyong kaarawan dahil kaarawan mo ngayon. Magpapatagay ka. Joke. Ayun, sana patuloy ka pang pagpalain ni Lord at bigyan ng maraming taon na i-celebrate ang iyong birthday. Have a good health and nagpasalamat ako na nagiging miyembro ako sa Flower Bee at nakapasok ako sa bahay ng Flower Bee at sana makakain na rin. Magtagay na tayo. Yun lang ko. At we love you. Thank you. Happy birthday again. Bye.
Hi, Daddy. Happy birthday. Enjoy your special day with your family and friends. Stay healthy, stay happy, and more birthdays to come. And God bless you always. Ito lang yung Flower Bee family. Okay? Birthday.
Hi, Daddy Scorpion! Happy birthday sa iyo! Ayan, my name is DJ. Charot. Eto lang, sana mag-enjoy ka sa kaarawan mo kasi it's your day. Tapos, syempre, kahit alam ko naman sa sarili ko na hindi ako active, sana malaman mo na nandito kami for you. Yung Flower Bee andito lang para sa iyo, na kahit maraming hindi masyadong active is know that we're here. Enjoy your day. At saka maraming salamat kasi palagi kang nandyan kahit na alam mo na maraming hindi active. Ayan. Love ka namin lahat sa Flower Bee. Ayan. Love namin ang aming daddy na founder na super gwapo. Ayun. Happy birthday ulit. Love.
Happy birthday, Daddy! Happy birthday, Daddy! Happy birthday, Daddy King B! More birthdays and blessings to come to your life, D! Sana pa mas maging matibay po yung family natin sa Flower Bee. Wala pong iwanan, okay? Ayun po, stay safe and healthy. Love you, D!
Hello, Daddy! Happy birthday! More birthdays to come. Stay healthy. Stay good looking and more blessings to come. God bless. Happy birthday.
Hello, Daddy. Happy birthday. Ano ba sasabihin ko? Thank you sa lahat ng una, thank you sa pagtanggap sa akin sa Flower Bee. And thank you din dahil napaka-daddy mo talaga. Very appreciative. And then, ang pinaka thank you sa lahat, yung tinuturo mo sa akin kung paano kumanta, paano maging magaling kumanta. Yun ang ano ko. Thank you. Sana maging masaya yung birthday mo, yung birthday party. Sana balang araw magkita tayo, lahat tayo. Love you, Day. Happy birthday.
Hi, Dad. Gusto kong sabihin na happy birthday. And mag-iingat ka palagi. At miss ko na kayo. Sana makabanding ko ulit kayo. And more birthdays and more blessings to come. Love you.
Hi, Daddy Scorpion. Happy birthday. I wish ko umaba pa yung buhay mo. Enjoy your day. Kung saan ka man ngayon. Ingat ka palagi. Huwag mo kalimutan laging tumawa kasi doon tayo lalong bumabata. At yun lang. I miss you and God bless.
Hi! Hello! In behalf of my More Mix Music family and my husband Nooks, I would like you to greet happy birthday my dear friend, the only founder of Flower Bee, one of my best friend of Wishing. Alam mo yan, na love kita kahit na sa Wishing lang tayo nagkakilala and bihira lang ako nakakapasyal sa PR mo. God knows na love ka namin. Wish you all good health and more years to come and more birthdays to come also. Stay humble and sweet. Once again, happy birthday my friend. Love you. Enjoy your birthday.
Ayan, I wish nothing but good health for you and more power to Flower Bee. Andyan lang lagi ang Let's Hear Your Voice to support your group, your curriculum, whichever may event kayo, you know who to call. Nandito lang ako lagi and I'm more willing to help you if ever you need me. So, ingat ka lagi and we love you from Let's Hear Your Voice family.
Hi! Sa nag-iisang King Bee ng Flower Bee, Daddy Scorpion, happy birthday. Wish you all the best, stay healthy, and more blessings and birthday to come. Enjoy your day, D. Love you.
Now I've been blessed with a son of my own. Got my own bedtime stories to tell. If I can raise him half as well as you raised me, yes, I'll be